Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and in this case, it's Polybag 30407, and it's Harry's Journey to Hogwarts. Now, if you enjoy these kind of Polybag build-along videos, please think about subscribing, because I plan on doing one a day for the foreseeable future. So, if you enjoy them, also if you enjoy them and you want to subscribe, make sure you turn on notifications, that little bell thing, so YouTube will let you know when I post something. Also, if you want to build along with this or get information on the set, I've included links in the description to where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also the brick set page for it if you just want information about the set itself. Okay, first of all, we got to put together Harry. So Harry has we get two faces for Harry. We get a calm, kind of happy Harry, and an oh my goodness, was I in that play Daniel Radcliffe face. So let's see. We're gonna have a sort of freaked out Harry, because he wasn't quite sure about that. Alright. And then we give him his hair. Now this is, I'm assuming, young Harry, because he got short legs. So this is probably like year one Harry. And then, let's see. We need his wand. So you got the wands that you got to pull off the sprue. That you maybe pull off the sprue? I feel like this is one of the things that I'm going to break. Alright. Harry's got a sprue of wands. Maybe not. Hold on. Maybe I just clip it. There we go. Alright. So, it doesn't really look like it's gonna, like the wand is gonna be that graspable, but maybe. Is Harry right-handed or left-handed? He is left-handed. Alright, this one kind of sucks. There we go. I'm not super crazy about the wand, though. I feel like it should have a full thing to grasp. Alright. Anyway, we got Daniel Radcliffe. So now we gotta build a cage for the poor unfortunate owl. So that, and this, and then alright, so are these all the same kind of piece? And they are all the same kind of piece. Alright. For some reason I was thinking they weren't. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then attach these little pieces here. And then they go like so, down on top. Alright. I don't know if you necessarily need an owl cage in the Harry Potter world, but maybe. Alright, so we got that taken care of. And trap that poor creature. And then, oops. I guess it'd be, that's one of the pieces they give you extras of. Alright, so we got Hedwig trapped in there. And then, let's see, this and this. So we got that like so. And then for these, we're going to snap them together like so. 1, 2, 3. The cage is kind of interesting. I mean, it's one of those things like, I can see some of these ideas applied to other things, and it being sort of interesting to use. Like so. And like so. And then this goes on top. Oh, okay. So you can hang the cage, I guess, if you are so inclined. And so you got your portable owl container. And the rest is going to be that cart, I'm guessing. Yeah, here we go. So we got our owl container, our Daniel Radcliffe, and then we just need to build the cart. We got that, and like so, and like so. We got those, like so, and the little pusher thingy. Like that. They aren't doing better than, they aren't actually giving us real wheels? Huh. I don't know, I feel like we needed some real wheels for this thing. It doesn't look bad, but got a little Harry Potter suitcase. A cauldron. And a book. Alright, the book's kind of neat. I like this book. Alright, that's kind of cool. I like the book. So the book goes on the trolley with everything else. And so we got Harry, we got that, and we got that. That's kind of cool, I guess. You get a couple extra little random pieces, like so. I tell you what, though, my favorite is the book. I like the book. Kind of cool. And it looks like Harry, or another minifig if you're so inclined, can easily hold the book. Alright. So, parts of it are definitely neat. The book being the big winner. It's not bad, I guess. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do you think the book is quite as cool as I do? And it's an awesome looking book. I might have to actually order some of the pieces for this book on Bricklink. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.